Hi, and welcome to our Browning in the field installation video. Make sure you head to our website and check out the other videos that we have on how to set up the camera and the different equipment that you can get. Depending on the package that you've gotten, you could have gotten just the camera or the solar panel, the stake with the two heads on it, the cam lock security box with it, and the master lock Python locks. So what we're going to do now is pick a couple different places, different scenarios of how to set up the camera. So any area that you're able to see any kind of tracks, or if they're leaving any kind of markings or poop, it's always great to find those, and you'll be able to see that the wireless is moving through there. Since this is a fenced yard, any breaks in the fence will also serve as a place for them to be able to move to and from. Some of the animals can climb the fence, like raccoons and cats, etc., but some cannot. We know there's a break in the fence over there, and I know that they're moving through here because we've seen them, because we've had the cameras out here. But what we're going to do is just start, as you know, with the swing set here. We're just going to put the camera here and show you guys how that's done. The first thing you have to do is take the strap and put it through the slots in the back, and then you're going to end up with this nifty, strong sort of clamp, belt clamp that it comes with. And you're just going to find hopefully something that is straight. You just have to kind of maneuver it so that you can tighten up this as best as possible. And now it's secure. So here we have another example of how to set up the camera in your backyard. And here we have it strapped to this big old palm tree, and you can see the palm tree is not straight. And so if you just set it up this way, you're going to end up with a crooked camera and crooked videos and pictures, which isn't great. It'll work, but it's not ideal. So you can use, again, any kind of a stick or anything that's around here, and you can just prop it in the back and make the camera straight. Grass or leaves that would be in front of the camera, those would produce false triggers, and then you're going to fill up the card with a lot of false triggers. So try to set it up in an area that is clear and doesn't have a lot of movement in front. If that's not possible, then try to clear out, a machete or a knife or something, and cut down the area around it. The stake has two heads. You can use it to mount a single camera and solar panel, two different cameras, whatever you want to do with it. These are actually adjustable, and you can move around the ball head and place the camera in any direction or angle that you want to place it. We also have the solar panel mounted on here that is available on the website. This hooks up and connects underneath the camera. There's a special compartment down here. You can watch our video on how to do that. If you feel that there is a chance that the camera can be stolen or messed with, then we do recommend that you get the cam lock security box with it and one of the master lock Python locks as well. And you run it through the holes in the back if you want to just secure the camera and the solar panel, or just the camera, however you want to do it. But you run it through, both of them have the same slots in the back. And then you would find, in this case, the swing set, but you could find a tree, and then you just run it through the lock and lock the whole system up. If you want to have it more secure than that, if you wanted to secure the camera even further or more than that, you would purchase from the website the cam lock security box. You put the camera inside, mount the security box to the tree, or in this case to the stake, close it up, with the camera inside, and then the same slots are in here, and you would run the master lock through here, through one of the slots, whichever one fits best. And then the whole camera is secure. And once you've got it all set up, you can always test it. Go get it.